This is my Black Widow. I made a new home for it, but first I need to get it out of the jar. So, this is its new home. It's actually a giant martini glass, I guess. Wine. I made a new lid for it. It does have holes, as you can see. Kind of painted it, added some little texture there. I had to cut it so it can form a good seal, as you can see. It goes right there, and then have some wires that I'm just gonna wrap around here tight, and then screw on. First, she has to get out of this jar. Her name is Elvira. My girl named her. Ah, there she is. Oh yeah. I went outside and got her a nice little. Here she is, my Black Widow, finally eating. Oh.
Oh my God, Harrison Ford.
Yummy, yummy. In her tummy. Beautiful Elvira.